With a hockey history that goes back into the 19th century, we are in Canada's westernmost NHL city. This is Vancouver, where tonight we are very close to the opening face-off for the Canucks. Hi, everyone. With Eddie Olczyk, Ray Ferraro in a moment. I'm Mike Emmerich, and tonight we get to take a look at the player who leads his team in assists. It's not seemingly as glorious a column as being the top goal scorer. Seems really important, though.
Ask a goal scorer, Duck. You love those guys that pass the puck to you and you're able to put the puck into the back of the net. But he has such great vision, and this is a team that doesn't score a lot, doesn't generate a whole heck of a lot. But if they do, he's probably right in the middle of it when he passes the puck.
Hutton's passing skills will be on full display tonight, as we've seen all year long, as he leads his team in assists. He needs to be careful, though, not to overpass in some offensive situations while playing against the other team's top defenders.
We direct our attention to the nets and the starting goalies. This man's the choice in goal tonight. He's worn the same number on his back since his days as a young goalie in minor hockey. He wears it again tonight for the home team. He's the goalkeeper tonight. The book on him is that he can be rattled with an early goal. Let's see how he does tonight for the Hurricanes. About to begin, Thomas Vanek is waiting for the draw. Austrian-born, won an NCAA title in overtime with the game winner for Minnesota. Opening face-off done. Play in.
The Hurricanes had a lot of things clicking in their last game, and it resulted in the win. Confidence is high coming into this one.
Tie-up and help from the winger. Vancouver's got possession in the defensive zone. Slid, big-time save, big-time shooter. Carolina's prevailed on another face-off. The Hurricanes control the play through the neutral zone. He takes that point pass. They can't find the target.
In this situation, you have to hit the net. Sometimes it's best just to fire it right at the goaltender.
Carolina's got that win. Played on to Teravainen. The Canucks want to generate something up the wing. Shoots a wrister. Oh, lightning quick and a terrific save. Wrist one. A magnificent pad save. Pass cut. The Hurricanes wheel it up the wing. Goes back deep for it. Kicked out of the scrum. And the puck taken over by Falk. What a hit!
Doc, no surprise there. We expected a physical game, and we're going to get one. That early hit is just an example of what we're going to see.
Puck gathered in by Falk. Carolina's carrying it through center. Gains the zone. Good defensive work there. Passing one off now to Eriksson. Let's go a wrist shot. Terrific glove save.
Darling's made a textbook stop here. He's in good shape positionally. He makes the save, and he makes it look really easy.
A little over 6 minutes play. Nothing up on the score sheet yet. The Canucks get the draw. Shoots one. Oh, deflected away. And the line, he won't avoid something for doing that. Whoa, now in the code, that means there might be something going on here. At least one guy's hot.
This is not the first time we've seen this in this game.
And we get a penalty. Referee to the table, a player to the box.
Well, there was one penalty called on the ice, and then a second one. Not a good penalty there. They would have been on a power play.
Both of these teams are a man short right now, so we get ready for another face-off. It's a face-off win. May not seem important in that territory, but they have possession. Using the point, he's got it. Fires!
6 minutes, 53 seconds.
The stick can break up a play, and it just did. Chooses the corner for this. And the pickup. And now it's directed to Williams. Moved along and in. He throws it there. Rattled the cage on that one. Puck is picked up by Kruger. Jabbed away by Eriksson. The Canucks continue to probe up the wing. One into another.
You want to be into a game, hit or be hit.
A shot, sticked away. He covers and holds on.
You can't run around looking for big hits like this. These come right into your lap.
The Canucks win the draw. Let's go, Arister. Good save there. Gets behind the net and looks to the front. With no time whatsoever, he turned it aside.
Not often you're all alone in front of the goaltender from this area of the ice. Great save.
Could not be filtered through. A strong play by Del Zotto. And he's held up. Cuts between the blue lines. Big drive. He scores.
He shot that puck so hard, I only saw it when it finally came back out of the net.
He must have lost his angle here, Edzo. This puck beats him pretty cleanly up into the blocker side, into the top of the net.
So he played a while in this period, and finally a goal.
I was hoping, Doc, that we were going to get that first one.
The Hurricanes control from the faceoff. Pitching it to Teravainen. Blocked away.
Assisted by number 20, Brendan Sutter. Time of the goal, 11 minutes, 32
Gains the
seconds.
blue line. A shot. Great save, point blank.
The goalie makes himself look big.
Wonderful save. It didn't look like he had a thing to shoot at. Fires. Oh, and he misses.
Now that's the way you shoot a hockey puck. Just over the top of the net.
Loose puck, it went off somewhere. Carolina's in control as they travel up the wing. Gathered up again by McGinn. Picks it up in his own end. Carolina's on the move up the wing. Into the attacking end. That one is pointed to him. Shoots. A shot. Terrific save with no reaction time whatsoever. Big drive. Blocked. Snaps it on goal. He scores.
Baertschi's wrist shot was heavy and quick.
Really don't know if he can do much more than that. He's in the right shape. He drops to the butterfly to cover the bottom half of the net, but this is perfect up over top of him.
Just past 3 minutes to go here in the first. Just recently another goal, and so the lead is 2. And that's a face-off win. A good stick there, so no complete pass. Moving it to Eriksson.
Assisted by number 26.
And this play is whistled down. It is offside.
53.
The Canucks see the point streak extend again. An excellent game for them, not just defensively, but offensively as the points continue to come for them on a nightly basis.
The Hurricanes win the draw. What's next? And he steps across the line. Snapping a pass to Eriksson. Gets in, looks over his options here. And the goalie to the bench. The extra man's on. The clock has bled down to the last minute. Carolina's 2-minute penalty is a minor and the call is hooking.
More times than not, Doc, anytime you reach in around a player's hands that has the puck, you're going to get a hooking minor.
Vancouver's power play opportunity number is 1. This one, the first one. You only get one chance to make a good first impression. See if they do.
Time of the penalty, 18 minutes, 52 seconds.
Horvat's bad night on faceoffs continues. They shot it back down. Now they can get ready for another rush. Vancouver's in possession as they travel in the defensive zone. Lets it go. Freezes play. Hannafin's working him over pretty well with the glove.
He's been known to do that every once in a while.
A good tie-up on the faceoff. That led to his team getting the puck. Routine play, done well. First period is over. The players will get a rest. The vendors and the organist will not. Vancouver's got a pair, and they lead 2-0. There are 2 periods to go, and that's a good thing for at least one team. Overwhelmed in the shots on goal totals in that period. 12 for the Canucks, 4 for Carolina.
Goes around us with our monthly food drop. Bring 3 non-perishable food items, and you can receive...
The Canucks, on the strength of this late period goal, carry a 2-goal lead into the dressing room. We'll return in just a moment. Eddie, we're about to enter the second period here. What did you think of the opening period of our game?
Carolina's lucky to still be in this game after the first period. They had turnover after turnover. I'm sure the coaches addressed that problem in the intermission.
Vancouver's power play gets a chance to operate here at the start of the period. In all alone. Wonderful save. What a skill level there.
With this puck being so close to net, this is all a reactionary save.
Ooh, what a break. Shot hit the man. The Hurricanes have killed off the penalty. Penalty box is empty for them.
I guess we know what they're going to be doing in practice tomorrow. Get on the power play. That was an abysmal effort on the power play. I don't know how much of this puck he stopped, guys, but it was just enough to keep it out of the net.
Carolina's got a face-off win. A giveaway. He is shut right off.
Oh, he's been looking for that hit all night.
Carries it to the corner. He's got that point pass. Good pad save. Trying to go to Horvat. Nicely into the zone. Drilled. Waffle boarded. Propelled to Skinner. On through the corner. Outstanding point-blank save.
A missed opportunity from this close in.
Chip to Vanek. Tumbled to one knee and he lost it. Pass attempt to Teravainen. Good work with the stick by Berchi. On to Teravainen. Great work with the pad. Pitching this one to Henrik Sedin. He's in on an onside play. Got a piece of that one. Enormous hit. Score! 3 in a row.
Henrik Sedin's decision was pretty easy. This low in a slot, just snap it home.
Once the turnover's made, too many guys are heading one direction. The dangerous man is behind them, and it's a perfect shot inside the post.
The Canucks have added to their lead. They are heavily outshooting the opposition, and we look at the opposition bench and do not see a white flag yet. Directing that one to Williams.
Assisted by number 47.
Right, here's a long pass, and it's on the money. Looking to Williams. There's one that'll take you back through time. Vancouver's minor is for charging.
You could skate to make the hit, but you must glide and then make contact.
The Hurricanes get their first power play opportunity of this contest. Let's see if they can make good on it. Defensive zone win. Vancouver's carrying on at center ice. Hammers it. Not there.
You talk about a heavy, hard shot. Unfortunately, just missed.
Shoots one. Marvelous save. A great chance was no chance. Feeds the point. Cranks a shot. Oh, what a break. That shot hit somebody. Wonderful save. He was hovering right over it.
You talk about cutting down the angle. Perfectly executed by the goaltender.
Looking for options. And on to Falk. Hangs on to it. Point to point. The Hurricanes' power play let him down at a very important time.
Right beside me, I can see that the play...
Great save in close. Collected in the corner. Pitch to Williams. Puts one on. Got a piece of it. The Canucks control the play at center. Snaps a shot. They score! 4 in a row.
Tana's quick flick of the wrist put this puck in from the high slot.
Absolutely a great shot, Edzo, but the goaltender dropped down just a bit quick, left the top of the net exposed.
Goalie to the bench. Substitution made.
Well, not much surprise here. The coach has clearly seen enough, and because he can't bench the whole team, what he's going to do is get his goaltender out of there and let him have a bit of a break.
Vancouver's got a large lead in this game. Let's see if they can build on it or whether they'll start to get conservative. The Hurricanes control from the neutral zone.
By number 8.
Up the wing, still with possession.
Assisted by number 20. Brendan.
Puck now possessed by Weirkoch.
And by number 31.
Onside. Lets it go. Took that right away.
10 minutes, 4 seconds.
Carolina's coaches have been on their players to pick up their commitment, to pick up their effort. It's like they've got no gas left in the tank.
Nice play with the stick. Nothing more will come. Vancouver setting it up as they move through center. With a shot. Save. Puck is thrown to Stempniak. Ahead on that left wing to McGinn. Nicely received at the point. Right winged to Eriksson. Gets in. What'll he do? Takes a shot. Snapped out of the air.
Carolina's physical play opens up the ice for them all over the place. This player has among the highest hit totals in the league. Very valuable, although he's not a big scorer.
The draw, the tie-up, and his team prevails. Looking for options up the wing. Passing one off now to Van Riemsdyk. Jabbed away by Henrik Sedin. To the point it comes. Got that blocking glove on it. Vancouver is lugging it up the wing. Superb defensive play by Van Riemsdyk. Goes to the backhand. Wonderful chance to score, but no. Gets across, looks over his options. A shot. Just a backhand. Hanging on to it in their own end. And now it's directed to Fleury. Lets it fly. Outstanding save with a glove.
The goalie gave him the glove side, and he took it away. What a stop.
Drill. That hit somebody. Stopped him from going any further. Slid to Teravainen. Players tired, about to get a rest, but still seconds to play in this period.
No chance you're going to beat a goaltender like that with a shot that's so easy to handle. Perfect positioning, easy glove stop.
Good job on the draw.
In the second period.
Laid on to Williams. Shoots. Oh, what a terrific save in close.
You want to score goals, you have to go to this area. You got to find a way to put it in the net.
Clean win on the draw. Shoots one. The second period has been played, and that's the fun part. We now look forward to the third. As is our custom, we look now at the shots on goal. Wow, does anybody play defense here? 24 for the Canucks and 16 for the Hurricanes. Carolina's goaltender has had one of those nights, and so this score is lopsided, and we will return after he gets a rest and these words. Minutes have been played. They are getting ready for the third period here. So take us back through the game. What do you think, Eddie?
Vancouver's up, Doc, here with a pretty solid lead, but they know that their opponent's going to come after them. So let's see how they play it. Will they be defensive first or look to add to the lead that they have?
Pitching it to Teravainen. Skill play by Fall. He's got that pass at the point. He scores!
He had a lot of time and space there to let that wicked shot go from far out. That is a heavyweight shot.
I'm not even sure if he saw that. That thing cracked off his stick in an instant into the back of the net.
And they won the neutral zone faceoff. You win that, and you don't have to chase. They chase you.
Assisted by number 53, Jeff Skinner. And by number 12,
moving it to Teravainen. Sends to the point.
55 seconds.
Penalty call coming. Watch for his signal here. The Canucks are going to the box for 2 minutes, and the call is tripping.
Oh, this is a tough call. He was trying to play the puck, but he tripped up the attacking player.
The Hurricanes' power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet. Carolina's got that face-off win. Score! Another step in the road back. They're down by 2.
When you're thinking about taking a wrist shot, it's all about weight transfer. Transferring your weight from your back foot to your front foot when you're shooting that puck. That's exactly what happened there.
Oh, Enzo, I don't know how he could do much more than this. He tried to make a dramatic glove stop. That's all he had left, but the puck beats him pretty cleanly.
Good reach there. Nicely into the zone. Looking from the corner.
Time of the goal, 1 minute 55 seconds.
Knocked it away with the stick. Hanging on to it up the wing. Takes that pass and looks on. Fires! Oh, that one hit someone on the way. Knocked off the puck. Carolina's continuing on up the wing. A great wrist shot. Has to be really careful here. It's an onside play. Gathered in by Williams. The Hurricanes looking to head man up the wing. Takes that pass. And possession snapped up by Henrik Sedin. Vancouver's carrying on up the wing. Oh, great cut. Gets in. What'll he do? Got that pass near the blue line and now looks ahead. Has a chance to make a play through the corner. Through the corner now. Propelled the Juris. Good job with the poke check. Snapping a pass to Eriksson. Up the wing and still with it. Taken over by Kruger. The defense was in the way. Loose puck. Gronlund's going to the box. It's a tripping minor.
I'm going to give credit to the puck carrier here. He kept his legs moving. He forced the back checker to reach in and take him off his feet.
Carolina's to the power play again. And they have rung in one already. Let's see if they get another. Chip to Sutter. They battle on up the wing. Hammers one. Great chance, but he missed.
That shot exploded off his stick and he just missed.
Trying to go to Rask. Shot on. Got a piece of it with the glove. The Canucks look to make a difference up the wing. To Rask. Gains the zone and looks over his options. Outstanding offense met by solid goaltending. Carolina's power play did not do it for them.
The power play's been okay tonight, but while they scored earlier in the game,
Lightning in that glove. Good job with the stick. Around through the corner. Pass cut, strong play. Whistle blown, play stopped. The referee will hand out a penalty. Skinner's penalized 2 minutes for slashing.
Oh, that's a blatant slash, Doc. Anytime that you slide your bottom hand up your stick and swing your stick, you're going to the box.
Vancouver's power play gets another chance to operate. Hasn't been effective yet.
Carolina penalty to number 50.
Got possession. Loose puck due to the play by McGinn.
12 minutes, 44 seconds.
Closed off effectively and sealed. And at an angle to Gagne. Puck covered, whistle blown. Philadelphia's bringing their skates and sticks and will be the opponent that they will face to conclude this homestand. The Hurricanes with a clean win on the draw. Around through the corner. Terrific interception. Gains the zone. Seeks the corner. A wonderful shot answered quickly.
You don't get many better opportunities than that. Great save.
Strong play, good reach. Fires. Oh, that was close.
You have to give yourself a chance. That puck cannot miss the net like that.
The Hurricanes up the wing are moving the puck. Shoots one. Great stick save. Just a bit under 5 minutes to be played in the third. Lead was 3. It has become 2. And the clock still shows time remaining. Time enough to get a pair, maybe 3. And he fires! Into the end of attack. Outstanding save with a glove. Hangs on to that one, and he'll see a face-off right near it. We have a winner. Pass attempt to Rask. Pitching this one to Williams. On to Rask. Oh, pokes it away. Just missed the net with that one.
There's not really much place to go with the shot. He's trying to be perfect. He misses.
That one caught iron. Fires. Grabbed.
Oh, he thought he had him on the glove side.
He gains the zone. Fires a shot. Carolina's recoiling back in their own end. Good quick poke check there. Looking from the blue line. Shoots. Wonderful save of an all-star shot.
He's in great shape to make any kind of stop, but one like this is an easy one for him.
We are in the last minute of regulation time. What a save, considering the shooter that's usually in. Fires. Save! A whistle and a rest. A big win. Let's see what happens. Shoots it on. Has it picked up. Carolina's moving the puck in their own end. Lets it go. They score! That's 3 unanswered goals.
Oh, that shot was heavy and dangerous. Good thing it didn't hit anybody.
Wow, Edzo, that was past him so quickly, he didn't even react.
The Hurricanes have struck back, only trailing by a single goal, and we're in the dramatic third period. A face-off win. Let's see what develops. Directing that one to Skinner. That's a good solid poke check. The Hurricanes have to take a chance here. They pull their goalie. Carried to the corner by Skinner. Up the wing, moving along. Net empty, and he missed the net. Net empty, no! Oh, and he is drilled.
Falk's been aggressive all evening long. Here he levels his man as he tries to spark his team into a comeback as they trail still.
And that's the end of the game. Well played. Vancouver's got the victory here again tonight. The string continues.
This team has been hot as of late. They're following their game plan. It's resulting in wins.
Some nights are special in memory. This one was an outstanding game. So long for now.